Now, I don't know if you've actually seen this in my other videos. Stella, be nice to the chickens. However, this is normally a deer feeder. I'm using it as an automatic chicken feeder as well. So, when it gets low, I just gotta pick it up, put a bucket in. Yes, I'll need another bucket, I know. But, flip the top down, and then we're gonna count it down. We'll test it out, make sure. Okay, let's test. It's gonna count down. I get 7 seconds to get out of the way before I get pelted with it. But come on, chicken, chicken. Here comes the food. Here they come. Come and get your num-nums. And of course, I get some num-nums too. No, Stella, the chicken feed is not for you. Let the ducks and the chickens eat. That's it. Come here, you. Let them come in and eat. She's a good little farm dog. She tries to keep all the chickens and ducks in line. Unfortunately, she also likes to eat their food. It's not your food. You have food. Your food's inside. Your food is not out here. Yes. And no, you may not eat the chickens or the ducks. Okay? No eating the chickens or the ducks. Now you can chase the ones that are outside the fence to get them back in. Okay, be a good girl. See, now she wants some num-nums herself.